Hi everyone! Welcome back to another interesting Filipino language lesson here on Talk to Me in Tagalog. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to ask for something politely. I divided this lesson into two parts. Part 1 is how to form a polite verb phrase, and the second part is how to use them in a sentence. There are about 50 Tagalog verbs in this lesson. I suggest that you pause the video and repeat the words after me. So, how do we ask someone to do something for us in a nice way? It's very simple. You just have to use the prefix paki, which means please or kindly in English. Just affix paki to the Tagalog verb root. So it's paki plus verb root. Let's start forming polite expressions in Tagalog. We have three columns here. The one on the left are the root words, the one in the middle are paki plus the root words, and the one on the right are the English translations. Our first Tagalog root word is abot, abot, meaning pass. Polite form, pakiabot, pakiabot, please pass. There is another Tagalog word for pass. It is pasa, pasa, pakipasa, pakipasa, please pass. Next, akyat, akyat, bring upstairs. Pakiakyat, pakiakyat, please bring upstairs. Alis, alis, remove. Pakialis, pakialis, please remove. Ayos, ayos, fix or put in order. Pakiayos, pakiayos, please fix or put in order. Baba, baba, to bring down. Pakibaba, pakibaba, please bring down. Next, bali, bali, meaning to bend or to break. Pakibali, pakibali, please bend. Balik, balik, return. Pakibalik, pakibalik, please return. Balot, balot, wrap. Pakibalot, pakibalot, please wrap. Basa, basa, read. Pakibasa, pakibasa, please read. Bigay, bigay, give. Pakibigay, pakibigay, please give. Our next Tagalog root word is bilang, bilang, meaning count. Pakibilang, pakibilang, please count. Buhat, buhat, lift. Pakibuhat, pakibuhat, please lift. Buhos, buhos, to pour. Pakibuhos, pakibuhos, please pour. Bukas, bukas, open. Pakibukas, pakibukas, please open. Dala, dala, bring or carry. Pakidala, pakidala, please bring or please carry. Next we have gupit, gupit, meaning to cut. Pakigupit, pakigupit, please cut. Halo, halo, meaning stir or mix. Pakihalo. Pakihalo. Please stir or please mix. Handa. Handa. Prepare. Pakihanda. Pakihanda. Please prepare. Hatak. Hatak. Meaning pull. Pakihatak. Pakihatak. Please pull. Hawak. Hawak. Hold. Pakihawak. Pakihawak. Please hold. Hintay. Hintay. Meaning wait. Pakihintay. Pakihintay. Please wait. Hiwa. Hiwa. Slice. Pakihiwa. Pakihiwa. Please slice. Hugas. Hugas. Wash. Pakihugas. Pakihugas. Please wash. Hulog. Hulog. Meaning to drop. Pakihulog. Pakihulog. Please drop. Iwan. Iwan. Polite form. Pakiiwan. Pakiiwan. Pakiiwan means to please leave something behind. Our next root word is kuha. Kuha, meaning get. Pakikuha. Pakikuha, please get. Labas. Labas, meaning outside. Pakilabas. Pakilabas, please put outside. Lagay. Lagay, meaning to put. Pakilagay. Pakilagay, please put. Lapag. Lapag, polite form. Pakilapag. Pakilapag, please put down. Ligpit. Ligpit, meaning put in order. Pakiligpit. Pakiligpit, please put in order. Our next Tagalog root word is linis. Linis, meaning clean. Pakilinis. Pakilinis, please clean. Luto. Luto, meaning cook. Pakiluto. Pakiluto, please cook. Paliwanag. Paliwanag. The word paliwanag means explanation. Polite form, pakipaliwanag. Pakipaliwanag, please explain. Pasok. Pasok. Polite form, pakipasok. Pakipasok, meaning please put inside. Prito. Prito, to fry. Polite form, pakiprito. Pakiprito, please fry. Our next Tagalog root words are pulot, pulot, and dampot. Dampot. They both mean pick up. Polite form, pakipulot. Pakipulot. Or pakidampot. Pakidampot. Please pick up. Sabi. Sabi, to tell. Pakisabi. Pakisabi, please tell. Sagot. Sagot. Sagot means answer. Pakisagot. Pakisagot, please answer. Sahod. Sahod, Polite form, pakisahod. Pakisahod. Meaning, please catch something with something. Next, salo. Salo. Polite form, pakisalo. Pakisalo. Meaning, please catch something by hand. We will learn the difference between pakisahod and pakisalo in our examples. Next root word, sama. Sama. Polite form, pakisama. Pakisama. Meaning, please include. Next, sara. Sara. Meaning close. Pakisara. Pakisara. Please close. Sauli. 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 Return. Pakisauli. Pakisauli. Please return. You will usually hear Filipinos say sole. Sole. Pakisole. It's the same. Sulat. Sulat. Polite form, pakisulat. Pakisulat. Please write. Tanong. Tanong. The word tanong means question. Pakitanong. Pakitanong. Meaning, please ask. Tapon. Tapon. Meaning, throw away. Pakitapon. Pakitapon. Please throw away. Tawag. Tawag. Meaning, call. Pakitawag. Pakitawag. Please call. Tulak. Tulak. Meaning, push. Pakitulak. Pakitulak. Please push. Uwi. Uwi. The word uwi means to go home. Polite form, pakiuwi. Pakiuwi. Meaning, please take or bring home. Another way of forming polite expression in Tagalog is combining paki with an English verb. For example, the verb serve. Pakiserve. Pakiserve, which means please serve. So that's how we form polite verb phrases in Filipino. I hope you guys learned a lot from this lesson. Make sure to watch part 2 to see how they are used in a sentence. We will also touch on the words nga and naman because we often use them with paki phrases. That's all for now. Please subscribe to my channel for more Tagalog language lessons. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you again very soon. Maraming salamat po!